I had a subscriber request that I make a floating shelf. If you have any requests, subscribe to our page and send them to me. This is going to be the easiest floating shelf with no hardware. All you need is a 2x6 and a 1/2 inch diameter dowel. We're just going to drill 3 holes in the back, so just mark 3 spots. They don't have to be perfect. Now we're going to run through our table saw, and on the end we cut our holes on, we're going to cut about 3/4 of an inch off. We're going to cut our dowel at 3 inches. We need 3 of them. We got our dowels cut, and they're going to go into the hole, and you see how they're real tight. So what we're going to do is sand the dowel down a little bit. So here's a little trick. To sand our dowel down, I'll stick it in my drill and just take a piece of sandpaper. Sands it down smooth, and it'll slide right in. Now we'll take some wood glue, and we're going to glue our dowel into the 3/4 inch strip. So I set the shelf onto the dowels long enough to let the glue dry. So now we're going to countersink 2 holes, and that's where our screw is going to go in, and we're going to countersink it so the screw head will go down inside the wood. Now we're going to stain it, and we want to make sure we stain all the way around, because when our wood comes together, we don't want to see the blonde wood behind it. And now a quick coat of clear gloss enamel. So we mount our strip with our dowels onto the wall, and just line up your holes with your dowel and put it on. Here's the finished product. Just add your decoration. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button.
Who's that? Who's that baby?